Hey guys, Chris with Velocity Restorations here. We're out at the Hilton Head Concours this weekend, showcasing some of our beautiful, vehicles. This one behind me got our 1972 F100. Beautiful truck, Brittney Blue over that Wimbledon White, very classic. We got the Raptor lining throughout, color matched all throughout the entire vehicle. Custom interior, beautiful Italian leather in there. We're doing all the billet in-house, so billet handles, exterior, interior. Such a great place to spend some time and get all those touch points. We got the Gen III Coyote V8 up front, 10R80 10-speed, so smooth power delivered, whether you're carving canyons or carving hills throughout, the backcountry of South Carolina. Up front, we got 6-piston brakes, 4 in the rear, so all of those safety features that you come to know in a resto-mod vehicle. So we always talk about the safety and reliability of a vehicle, but you have all that classic flair to enjoy, and that's really where these trucks shine. If you guys want to learn any more about this vehicle, it's velocityrestorations.com. It's also on display at RK Motors out of Charlotte. Go ahead and check them out. We appreciate you guys checking it out. Looking forward to the next one.